went to a train show in Dayton, Ohio about 8 weeks ago. I came back with several projects, one of which is this Lionel RS-3 switcher plus 2 matching gondola cars, all for only $25. I checked the Locomotive to see if it ran at the test table, and it did, in its own way. But let me tell you this. If you ever want to discourage a kid from getting into this hobby, then buy them this train set. It might just be the cheapest modern O-gauge train set that I've ever seen. Lionel molded everything in yellow plastic and then only used black paint for decoration and lettering. Not only did they cut costs for the graphics, but they replaced the metal frame and handrails with cheap and flimsy plastic. Even the hood-mounted horn is an unpainted gray plastic piece instead of being die-cast. There is a single can motor that is so tiny that it can fit between the wheels of the truck assembly. No part of it intrudes into the space above the frame. I'm really not sure how this locomotive can even pull the 3 empty gondola cars that came with it as a set. I'm not usually this negative, but this project is a bit of a disappointment before I've even started. Lionel must have felt about it in a similar way because I could find no markings on the outside whatsoever that would identify it as having been made by Lionel. There are a few nicks and scratches to the black paint on the top, so I resprayed those areas with Rust-Oleum Flat Black. After that paint has dried, I'll move on to getting rid of that horrible yellow plastic. Lionel also made this RS-3. The shells of both might be the same, but graphically and mechanically, it's like night and day. Since the roof of mine is already black, I'll try to replicate my own version, of an Amtrak RS-3 diesel switcher. I'll repaint the cab and body in silver before applying a glossy clear coat. Instead of the red, white, and blue stripes running the length of the shell, I'll get by with just decorating the cab. With the red and white paint already laid down, blue is the last color needed to complete these stripes. Print my own decals onto white inkjet decal paper and also seal those with a clear spray. After that, they are applied just like any other decal. Both ends are painted in a glossy red similar to Amtrak's Phase 1 paint scheme. I was never really able to get excited about this project. I think anything Lionel makes that's molded from yellow plastic may simply be cursed. I associate that yellow plastic with cheapness and low-quality entry-level products. Even new paint and decals cannot help my overall impression of this train. I like the way this looks in photos, but holding it in my hands is something different. It's just so cheap, and I have to wonder how close it actually is to 1/48 scale. It seems too big. I'm not sure what to do with it. Oh well. If you enjoyed this video, or at least hate yellow plastic as much as I do, please like and subscribe. Thanks for watching. This has been Bob's Workshop. Take care.